Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's Nikole from nikolebeautyco, and we are going to be exploring Bobbi Brown's Nude Drama. Which consists of 12 pans of eyeshadow. There's a total palette weight of 18.15 grams, a per gram cost of $3.25. There are 5 mattes, 2 sparkles, 3 metallics, and 1 shimmer wash, and she is beautiful. Made in the USA. And of course, I've been on a little nude kick lately, so this isn't gonna change that. We're totally gonna hop in. I'm going to concentrate on my eye look using this new palette. So this is my first video of the new year 2020. Wow, so excited. I hope that everything is going awesome in your life. My eyes are prepped with Laura Mercier Eye Basics Eye Primer. I have Anastasia of Beverly Hills for my lashes, Bobbi Brown Long Wear Foundation on. So we are going to hop in. I just really wish manufacturers would put the shadow name on top of the pan, not underneath the pan. That's so annoying. Nonetheless, we are going to start with espresso. Next, I'm going to dip into Pink Bellini. I misspoke. That was Antique Rose. Next, going into Ivory, we're going to lay some more shadow down as a base. Next, for reals, we're going to use some Pink Bellini. And then we are going to dip into Halo. Dipping into Saddle. Overlaying just a little more of that Pink Bellini. An Antique Rose. Under the waterline, a little more Antique Rose. So I'm going to swatch this out. That is the Ivory. The Antique Rose. Earth. Saddle. halo. Sun-kissed. Ooh, terracotta, pretty color. Black sand. Bonfire. Pink Bellini. Velvet Plum. And espresso. And using my Sephora long-lasting liquid eyeliner in 06 Deep Brown, we're gonna pop on some eyeliner. Using my Charlotte Tilbury full fat lashes, we are going to go ahead and throw on a little bit of mascara. Next, using my Glamingo palette from Violet Voss, we are going to use a little bit of Sweet Cheeks for blush. I'm using my Penrose Sephora Collection contour brush. We're just gonna dust a little bit of that on. You need just the lightest hand with the Violet Voss palette. It is very pigmented. And with the Pro Contour brush, we are going to dip into Glamingo's White Sand. And using Laura Mercier's translucent loose setting powder, we are going to dust the face. Also using Sephora's Pro Complexion Fan Brush. I am feeling extra, so I'm going to pop on some faux lashes off camera from Velour's Naughty But Nice travel set, and I will be back. And back again, and I'm going to be using Melt Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Rebound. Hey, back again. First impressions, the Nude Drama Eye Palette by Bobbi Brown. Now, as always, I find her mattes absolutely beautiful. I was slightly disappointed with the deep brown color Espresso because I don't feel like it was quite as dark on the lid as it was in the pan. But her shimmers and her metallics 100% made up for that. So I am really excited to throw this in the mix. I kind of wish that I had done this one for New Year's Eve and the Molten Drama today because I feel like this one is more appropriate to New Year's Eve. That's not how that went down. Okay, my velour lashes. So this is the second time I've applied the Naughty But Nice Velour Faux Lashes, and they are made of silk and they're really, really comfortable. They're pretty easy to apply. I think I probably should have trimmed them. I went a little extra, but perfectly pretty. I am super stoked with it. Now this lovely, lovely lipstick. I am in love with this color. Beautiful coverage. It has a beautiful, long, very flexible doe foot, which was extremely easy to apply onto my lips. I think the color is rich, it's saturated, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I am in love with this. I think this is fantastic. I will definitely be buying more liquid lipstick from Melt Cosmetics. Fabulous. Now, just as a kind of contrast, I just tried this Everlasting lipstick with Kat Von D Beauty, and this one was in the Melancholy, and it was terrible, to be honest, in comparison. I had to get 3 layers of lipstick to get the opacity I got in one with Melt. So this and also this Dreamer are like 3 layers deep to get any kind of beautiful vibrancy here. Now I am in love with this color. This color, ooh, I see why they call it Rebound. It is banging. I am loving it. So that is a massive plus. These are so disappointing to me that I'm actually thinking I might, you know, throw those away. And that's a shame because I love blue lipstick and I don't know. I don't want a liquid lipstick that's gonna end up being streaky, and I felt like both of those were streaky and patchy and just really difficult to apply. I am old, I am 49, my lips are dry and chapped and crazy. I need a lipstick that's gonna cover that right from the get-go, so. Okay, Glamingo. I am still loving the heck out of this palette. I think this is going to be fabulous. This is now my new favorite. It has replaced both of my NARS Cheek Studios, the Free Lover, the Studio 54. So these were my prior favorites. We got your Exposed, we got your Free Lover. They are falling to the wayside now, being replaced by Glamingo. Now, I love the formula so much. It's so fabulous. I can't imagine actually making it through this amount of product before it starts to get hard pan or dries out or expires. It's probably not gonna happen, but I am gonna use it for all it's worth because Glamingo is my jam. Hey, I really appreciate you spending a little bit of your day with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to support my channel, and I will see you next time, makeup lovers. Thanks.